fucking bird! No!
You're so good at this game, buddy.
I am. I'm at 8. What are you at?
Fuck you.
Fucking 11. You fucking pissed me off because I looked up.
I can't even pass the first one now. Pissing me off.
Pissing me off. Damn it! You seriously recording this?
I like the way
Chamber in there. Oh my god, this is the stupidest game I've ever played.
Dude, I can't see.
But you're so fucking playing it. And then tomorrow, you'll be like, hey, I see your
Fucking damn it!
And then tomorrow we can make fun of her because she'll be playing during class.
Fuck! 6. More than I
Where
had.
you at, Glenn?
Fuck! Don't talk to me.
Yo, Glenn.
5.
Where you at, dude?
Shut up. Damn it! Go to 1.
Let me try.
Oh, this
Evan's
is
gonna drop a 30 on us.
She can't even hit a board.
I would
on
chuck
a-
that
on
out
a
across the room.
board cry. I think we're good.
We'd be getting new ones though because it would go
Wait a minute, I pull up.
No!
You have to tap the screen.
Oh.
Well, she's like a very ball.
She's like holding it and it just fell.
I think he's only allowed
Fucking
to make-
bird shit!
He's like just like 10 tackles. while
Fucking
you-
bird shit.
Yeah.
Jesus. Did you say that?
Not that hard.
She said.
Gee, that's not a good thing.
How do you keep it level?
You tap it.
You fucking.
No!
I'll show you.
My mind went to a dirty place and
Just let
I
me see.
fell.
No!
My mind just got concerned.
Flappy Birds.
Damn it!
My mind went to a dirty
That's
place.
how you'll react to it.